Afghanistan. Afghanistan, officially the Islamic Republic of Afghanistan, is a landlocked country at the crossroads of Central and Southeast Asia. Afghanistan is bordered by Pakistan to the east and south, Iran to the west, Turkmenistan, Uzbekistan, and Tajikistan to the north, and China to the northeast. Afghanistan is one of the oldest countries in the world. In Afghanistan, there is no official language as the population in different regions speak Uzbek, Persian, and Turkmen and others. The country is very weak development of education and medicine. Women's mortality is very high. Afghan women are extraordinarily patient. They have to live in different conditions in the country, have Sharia law. Most of the famous Afghan women are forced into music, acting, modeling career outside their country, as in Afghanistan, like creativity can be severely punished. Here, we include the topmost beautiful Afghan women from famous actress, singer, model, and winner of beauty pageants that have Afghan origin. No more talk, have a look. Let's start with number 10, Mesgan Hosseini. Mesgan Hosseini was born in 1st January 1970. She is known for her work on America's Got Talent 2006, American Idol The Search for a Superstar 2002, and The X Factor 2011. Sita Kashemi. We placed this lady in number 9. Sita Kashemi was born in 6th April 1983. She is an Afghan singer-songwriter. She entered the Afghan music scene in 2008. She sings both in Pashto and Dari. Now she lives in Germany. Number 8, Mariam Marid. Mariam Marid was born in 6th April 1983. She is an Afghan actress, singer, songwriter, composer. She is the daughter of Ahmad Marid. He is a veteran singer of Afghanistan music who belonged to golden era of late 1970s. Number 7, Vida Samadzai. Vida was born in 22 February 1978. She was Miss Afghanistan in 2003 and the first Afghan woman to participate in an international beauty pageant since 1974. Her appearance in a red bikini in 2003 edition of Miss Earth pageant created controversy in her native country. She also entered in the 5th season of the reality television show Bigg Boss. She was born and raised in Kabul, Afghanistan, and moved to United States in 1996. Number 6. Ajita Ghanizada. Ajita was born in 17 November 1979, Kabul, Afghanistan. She is an Afghan-American actress in the United States and who has appeared in a number of television series. Number 5. Jalast Sadat. Sadat was born in 12 April 1986, Kabul, Afghanistan. She is an Afghan and German model and has owned several pageants in recent years. And she is the winner of Miss Deutschland 2010. Her most recent win was the Miss Globe 2012 title. Number 4. Mosda Jamalzada. Mosda was born in 7 December 1985. She is an Afghan-Canadian pop singer and model. She is also known for her movies Red Show. Number 3. Madina Tahir. Madina Tahir was born in 1987, Hamburg, Germany. She is an Afghan model and also winner of the title Miss Germany Universe 2008. And she represented Germany at the contest Miss Universe 2008. Number 2. Selina Jia Jaitley. Selina was born in 24 November 1981. She is an Indian actress who mainly appears in Bollywood films. A former beauty queen and model, she was crowned Femina Miss India Universe in 2001. Her father a Punjabi and mother Afghan. And the last but not the least, number 1, Warina Hussain. Warina Hussain is a Bollywood actress and model. She is also known by the nickname Wari. She always wanted to become a successful actress and model. To fulfill her dream, she did graduated in New York Film Academy. She made her Bollywood debut with the film Laviyatri along with Ayush Sharma, which is produced by Salman Khan Film Production and released on October 5, 2018. She was born on 23 February 1999 in Kabul, Afghanistan. Well guys, that is the latest and greatest list of top 10 beautiful Afghan women in 2021. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please do hit that subscribe button and follow by the bell. Until next time, see ya.